what is a list view? A list view is a scrollable widget provided by Flutter theme. We know that normally we use a column to display a list of items. Let's look at this example. Here we have a column with 3 items, and these items are created here, and it's simply a container with a center text. So right now we have 3 items and there's no problem. But if I go ahead and add some more items in this column, you will see that we'll have a bottom overflow. And the reason is that column is not a scrollable widget. In this case, you can just replace a column with a list view. And right now, the error will be gone. So list view is a scrollable widget provided by Flutter theme. And it's a better option than a column when you have lots of items. And a list view has lots of properties as well. Like you have a controller, or you have physics, padding, and also shrink wrap, and lots of properties that you can use. You don't have access to these properties in a simple column. Now, what is the difference between ListView and ListView.builder? As we know, a simple ListView will only return a simple and static widget, but a ListView.builder returns a function. You can call this function as many times as you like, which will create your custom widget. Let's look at this example. Here we have a ListView.builder, and it has 2 essential properties, item count and item builder. Item count will specify that how many times this function should be called. And in item builder, we have the function. It has context and index, and we will return the item widget. So right now, the child is the list of items, and it has the specified index. Yeah, here we have all the widgets. So from item 1 to item 5, and here are more items.